Have you ever read a commit message like fix, done, or worse? ASDF. Or spent hours scrolling Git logs trying to figure out what changed, when, and why, but all you see is a mess of random messages. This isn't just annoying, it's a real problem when working in teams or managing large projects. But what if I told you there's a way to enforce clean, consistent, and meaningful commit messages, automatically? That's where Commitlint comes in. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Commitlint to catch bad commits before they happen and keep your Git history clean and professional. First, create a new Node.js project, or open an existing one in your code editor like VS Code. In my case, I've already created a new Next.js project using the create next app command, but the setup will be the same for any Node.js project. To get started, we'll first install Commitlint in our project. From the official docs, we just need to copy the installation command. Since I'm using pnpm as my package manager, I selected the pnpm version and copied the command. Now, I'll open my terminal, paste the command, and hit enter. It takes a few seconds to install. And boom, Commitlint is now installed in our project. Next, go back to the official Commitlint documentation page and scroll down a bit. You'll find the command to generate the config file, copy that command. Now, open your terminal and paste the command. This will create a new file called commitlint.config.js in the root of your project. Open your project in VS Code and navigate to that file. You'll see that the configuration has been successfully generated. By default, it uses the conventional commit standard, which we'll follow throughout this setup. Now that we've successfully integrated Commitlint into our project, there's one important step left. We want Commitlint to automatically check our commit messages before they're saved. If the message is valid, the commit goes through. But if it's not, the commit should be blocked, and we should get a clear message explaining what's wrong. However, Git doesn't support this out of the box, and that's where Husky comes in. Husky allows us to add Git hooks like commit message, so we can run scripts, like Commitlint, automatically before each commit. Let's set it up step by step. Go back to the official Commitlint documentation and click on the Local Setup link. Scroll down a bit and you'll find a command to install Husky. Since I'm using pnpm, I selected the pnpm command and copied it. Now open your terminal, paste the command, and press enter. After a few seconds, Husky will be successfully installed in our project. If your project isn't already a Git repository, run git init. If your project is already initialized with Git, you can skip this step. Next, initialize Husky, npx husky init. This creates a .husky folder in the root of your project. Open your project in VS Code, and you'll see the .husky folder has been created. Now go back to the documentation again, copy the hook command, and run it in your terminal. This command creates a commit message file inside the .husky folder. Open the file in VS Code. You'll see the script that runs Commitlint automatically before every commit. Now let's test whether Commitlint is working correctly. Since I'm not using any test scripts and don't need the pre-commit hook right now, I went ahead and deleted the pre-commit file from the .husky folder. I also modified the commit message script to use npx instead of pnpm-dlx for faster execution. So now, my commit message file looks like this, npx commitlint edit $1. Next, I open the terminal and stage all changes by running git add command. Now, I'll try committing using a basic message, git commit m initial commit. This takes a few seconds, and boom, we get two issues. Warning, type must be set to module in package.json. Error, commit message subject may not be empty. From Commitlint. I go back to VS Code, open package.json, and add type module, then save the file. Now, let's try again with a proper conventional commit message, git commit m chore initial commit. But we hit another error, subject must not be sentence case. So, I fixed that by making the message lowercase and running git commit, chore, initial commit. It takes a moment, and success. The commit goes through. To confirm, I run, git log, one line. And you can see 34, our commit is now properly logged and formatted. That's it, Commitlint is working perfectly in helping us write clean, consistent commit messages automatically. Let's move on to the next step. We just covered how to set up Commitlint in your project, integrate it with Husky, and enhance your workflow with Commitizen for a smooth, user-friendly commit experience. But this is just the beginning. Commitlint has many more powerful features. You can explore all the available rules and customize them as per your team's needs. Backhand index pointing right plus, Commitlint also supports prompt tools like Commitizen, a great alternative to @commitlint/prompt_cli. If you want to dive deeper, I've added the official Commitlint documentation link in the description, be sure to check it out. And if you have any questions, want more advanced tutorials, or feature deep dives, just drop a comment below. I'd love to create more videos based on what you want to learn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a dev tip or tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.